Yeah, thanks for joining everyone. Yeah, I know Vanilla, Santosh. Who is Raj? Raj is
Yeah, it's name Rajendra sir.
Rajendra. Okay, sorry. Okay, fine. Yeah, I thought someone had joined. Okay. Yeah. So let me share my screen. I hope you are able to see my screen, right? So anyway, myself, Madhukar, you know already, right? I'm working as a Tableau technical architect in one of the company in a Bangalore location. I'm recently moved to Hyderabad location. So I have a total, you can say 12 plus years of experience in BA technologies. And I mean, last 6 years, I'm working with the Tableau desktop developer and as well as the Tableau support server administrator support. I'm currently working. Okay. And also I have implemented using the different backend data sources, Oracle, SQL Server database, Terra databases, and also implemented Tableau with BO. So there are multiple BO reports which converted into the Tableau. So which we redesigned all the BO reports in the Tableau. Okay, and also work with developing a reports by connecting to the HANA source system. That's all about myself. I know already pretty much about Vanilla and Santosh, so I'll just go through directly to the actual concept. Okay, Tableau is a reporting tool. It is a data visualization tool where we can see the data in the form of dashboard. It's a very easy tool, easy tool, and you can connect to the any of the data sources. There is no limitation that Tableau connect to only this database. Yes, it can connect to any of the data sources, and also it will take less development time, and also data and you can access the data much faster compared with any other reporting tool, because the Tableau work as a in-memory concept when you use the extract connection. Okay, so and without writing single line of the code you can develop dashboard. In Tableau we are not writing any code, so there is no like there is no like something Python script, JavaScript, or shell script. You're not writing any code. Yeah. But yes, so there is some automation. We can do it with the help of the Python developer. But we are not doing anything as a Tableau developer. So if you want to do any automation script, so that is taken care by the separate team. But that we are not doing. As a Tableau developer, we are going to develop a dashboards, publish the dashboards into the server, and give the access the reports to the different users. Okay, say example. So I'm talking about the very simple Tableau architecture. Is very simple architecture. Okay, say simple. So how we are going to develop a dashboards? We are going to develop a dashboard by using the Tableau desktop tool, so which you need to install in your local machine, and that required the license key. Okay, initially you will get the 14 days of the trial access, and later you have to upgrade to the later upgrade it to with the license key. Okay, but anyway, we are providing the 1 year license key as a student license key, which we are going to provide. You can use that. Okay. And as I said, Tableau is a very simple architecture. So where you can connect to the different data sources. Just a second, please. Yeah, you can connect to, say, suppose I have Oracle database, maybe have a SQL Server database. Maybe you have a SAP HANA database. It can be any database. So you are going to connect to the database. So what database contains? The database contains the data, and the data store into the different tables as a fact tables, dimension tables. So all the data which is going to store into the dimension and fact tables, which you are going to connect to the one of the fact tables and dimension table in the Tableau desktop, and making a joins and develop a different sheets and implement a different kind of dashboard. So once you connect to the different databases, once you develop a dashboard, which you need to publish the dashboard in Tableau server or online. Okay, you're going to publish. So whatever the developers create the reports and dashboard, so that all are going to publish into the Tableau server. Okay, in a Tableau server, so we have a site. So each site, so we have a multiple projects. Each site we have a multiple project. Each project, so you will have the multiple reports or dashboards. Reports or dashboards. Okay. So site can be, say suppose I belongs to the finance department. So I can create a one finance department separately, finance site. So which I can create. When you log in, so it will ask you which site you want to connect. When you log into the Tableau server, it will ask you which site you want to connect. You want to connect to the finance side, or you want to connect to the admin side, or you want to connect to the sales side. So that's how. So we have a multiple sites in Tableau server. So once you implement a dashboard, you have to publish that dashboard relevant site. Under the each site, you will have a multiple projects. Each project, and you have a multiple reports and dashboard. And the actual user going to log in through different browsers. Maybe Internet Explorer, they can log in. They can use Chrome. They can use any other browsers. Okay. So end user can log in either Internet Explorer, maybe Chrome, or they can access any other browser. And once they open the Tableau server, they can enter their user credentials. Based on their user credentials, they can access all the reports which is there in the site, or which is in the project, which is in the different type of dashboard. They can access it, the end user. So this is all overall the Tableau architecture: desktop, server, and the user. Or some user might connect to the mobile, Tableau mobile, so that you can access. You can mobile app we have in a mobile. So you can, sorry, Tableau app is there, so you can download that app in your mobile, and you can connect to that to the server. You need to connect to that server. Once you connect to the server, all the dashboards which is in the site or the project, that you can access through the mobile. Okay, got it. So this is our overall Tableau architecture, desktop and as well as the server. Any questions here? And again, in the Tableau server, we have a multiple processors: SQL, gateway server, and background services. Okay, data engine, data server. So there are multiple servers will up and running when you install the Tableau server. You need not to do anything there. You just add the servers. That's it. So that mainly taken care by the Tableau administrator. This part is taken care by administrator. So our job role is developing a dashboard by connecting to the different data sources. Once the dashboard completed, that you are going to publish it. And from here, the end user, I mean the Tableau administrator, based on the requirement, they are going to give access to the different users. Okay, say suppose the user belongs to the sales department, so the administrator will give the access to the sales site, like that way. So user can log in their sites. Maybe one user can access the multiple sites, multiple dashboards also. Okay, is that clear? Any questions? Okay, so Tableau software offer this main products. So which I told you already, Tableau desktop is a paid desktop application. It is also called as a Tableau Desktop Professional Edition. Now it's called a Tableau Creator. Okay, where on the Tableau desktop, where we are going to create a dashboards and creating the charts, formulas, which we are going to use the different calculated field which we are going to define it. Okay, And once you create a dashboard, that you are going to publish into the online or server. The Tableau server is a paid server application which need to install at the client location. Okay, and so to install the Tableau server, the minimum requirement is 32 GB RAM and 50 GB of the hard disk and the 8-core CPU processor to install the Tableau server. Okay, and so we can install the Tableau server in a cluster node with multiple cluster node with high availability. Also, we can do that. Okay, in case one server is down, but still user can able to log into the Tableau server and access the reports because it will connect to the other cluster node. Okay, so Tableau Cloud Online is nothing but a cloud. Tableau Online is a paid server application, but already it is hosted in the Tableau site, Tableau Software. So they are giving access to share our reports to the different user. That is the cloud-based. Tableau Online is nothing but a cloud. So depends on the user, depends on your number of user, depends on the how many dashboard you want to publish, how much is the space is required. Based on that, so they charge. Okay, normally very small clients they go with the Tableau Online, but almost all the big organization they go with the Tableau server. They install the server in their local machine, and the server license key they can provide based on the number of user or core based on the CPU core process. Okay, that I'll explain in detail later. Okay, and Tableau reader is, say suppose I have implemented dashboard in my local, so but you don't have the Tableau license key, Tableau desktop license key to give it to open that report. So I shared that report through email, that file, but you don't have the Tableau desktop. So you can install the Tableau reader, which is a free application. You can open that dashboard through the Tableau reader. Okay, it's a little interactive, but you cannot modify the reports. Okay, using the Tableau reader, it's a free. And say, as I said, I create a dashboard I want to share with you, and you can open it in your local machine. If you don't have the Tableau desktop, you can open through the reader. Okay, Tableau mobile is a mobile application. Tableau mobile is a mobile application. It is available both iOS and Android. So you can connect to the Tableau server and open the reports. You can view the dashboard which is published into the Tableau server. Okay, that's about the Tableau mobile. So our goal is in our training, I am talking about the Tableau desktop dashboards. Fine. And also I'll give you the some brief idea about the server or online also as part of the training. So any questions? So duration of this training approximately 20 to 25 hour session. Okay. Session, and also I'm providing the material and all the documents I'm going to share with you. What kind of testing you are going to implement, do that once you complete the development of the dashboards. Okay, and also in case if anyone want to certification, you can go for a certification also. Okay, which is $100, and you can take that exam by just at home only. You do not go to any Promatic centers. Okay, and also as part of the course curriculum, yes, try to open this. So this is the course curriculum, very high level, which I'm just to try to open it. One second, guys. Just a second. Okay, so now look at here. So these are the different models which we will be covering. Model 1, what is Tableau, features of the Tableau, and what is data window, toolbar, tooltip, marks card, what is all these things. In the module 2, which I'm talking about the connectivity between the different databases, data roles, data types. Module 3, which I'm talking about the tables, joins, what are the different type of joins we have, and how to create the folder, how to do the sorting, also what is the hierarchies, and how to do the color formatting, aggregations. The module 4, which is talking about the building data views. And from module 5, so which is the advanced level concept, which I'm going to talk about, let's say. So scripting, writing formulas, YTD, MTD calculations, how we can how you are going to write the script formulas, okay, and work with multiple measures, individual access, blended access, dual access. So these all will be covering our regular session. Total 10 modules which I'm going to cover. Okay. Any questions? I am going to start with it tomorrow with the installation, Tableau desktop installation, and make sure that Tableau installation and as well as the Oracle. So we'll be working with the Tableau and plus Oracle. I'm going to install Tableau also both. And also we are going to connect to the some sample superstore data, and also we are going to use the access DB and Excel data. Okay. Any questions you have? Santosh, Vanilla.
No.
No, Madhukar.
Yeah.
So all these, whatever you have showed just now on the training course, right? This will be done in 20 to 25 hours, huh?
25 hours, correct. Because right, it's, as I said, it's a more drag and drop feature, right? So all the documentation which I'm going to share with you. So because every session is hands-on only.
Okay.
So if I give a something notes dictation, if I give the dictation, right, it will take another 40-50 hours. So if I explain about joints, what are the different type of joints, if I give a note and not required, right? Because I am going to give the recorded sessions also. You can go through the recorded session.
Okay.
Yeah. And also the material
Okay.
also I'm going to share with you. You need not to note down anything.
Okay. And what would be the difference between recorded and normal sessions?
I mean, whatever, I mean, I'm going to, whatever we discussed, right? This is recording. I'm going to share with you. You can download it and you can play
Okay.
whenever you do the practice.
Okay.
When you go to the classroom, right, there is no recorded session. You will not see any recorded one.
Okay.
So that time, so I need to give some note in the board. So that all different. But anyway, so whatever the PPT which is there in the documentation, same thing which I'm going to tell.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. So that's all today. And so we can continue tomorrow. So we'll start with the Tableau desktop installation, and also we'll just see the connectivity, how it is working, and we'll continue our regular session after the installation completed. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you all.
And
Vanilla, if you have any questions, you can call me. Santosh, yeah, tell me.
yeah, will you be able to share your contact number, Madhukar?
I already gave, right? Let me share my number. Just a second, please. I shared it. You can note it now. In the chat window, I shared it.
1 second.
Excuse me, Madhukar, when you are going to send that links?
In the session itself, I'll send it, and we can install it. Okay. You're talking about software. You're talking about software, or you're talking about the recorded?
Yes, you are saying that tomorrow onwards you are going to start that link software. Yes.
Yes. In the meeting, in the session itself, I'll send you the link, and you can do the download and install.
Okay.
It will not take much time. Maximum 15 to 20 minutes we can complete. Okay. Yeah. Have you noted down, Santosh, my number?
Yeah, Madhukar, I got it.
Yeah. Okay. So thanks all, and we'll meet tomorrow. I'll let you know the exact time, what time we are going to connect. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thanks, Madhukar. Bye.
Bye.